This module is part of the Beyond Cold Cloud series that addresses Cold Cloud user-level functions. The Beyond Cold Cloud interface has an integrated reporting function that allows you to view and, if needed, download statistical data that was logged between defined time periods. In this module, you'll learn how to specify the parameters of a report before proceeding to a specific reporting category. As usual, we've started at the Cold Cloud dashboard view. To start viewing and generating reports, navigate to the Reports section. On the site tree, you'll see that checkboxes have appeared next to all entities, right down to individual asset level. This gives you the flexibility to select individual sensors at device level, individual devices at site level, individual devices at regional level, individual regions at company level, or all entities across the entire company. Note that if you select a sensor, its relevant device, site, and region are selected as well. If you select sensors, devices, or regions, Cold Cloud will automatically place them in context up to and including regional level. You can also deselect unwanted entities from a report. Having selected the subjects of your report, you will now need to define the time period for which the report will be generated. You can choose to populate your report with information from the last 24 hours, from the last week, or from the last month. Alternatively, if you want your report to contain information from a specific 30-day period, click the Month/Year button. Select the month for which information is needed, then select the relevant year. The two options I've just demonstrated allow you to quickly generate reports. However, if you need your report to cover a very specific time period, specify the start date and start time of the relevant period. Next, specify the end date and end time of the relevant period. After this, you will need to specify the report's data sampling intervals. To do this, click the Select Data Records button and choose an option. As an example, choosing the 1-minute option will populate your report with data sampled at 1-minute intervals throughout your chosen reporting period, while choosing the 24 hours option will populate your report with data sampled at daily intervals throughout your chosen reporting period. When you have defined the subject of the report and its reporting period, you can proceed to defining the report category. To learn how to do this, watch the following videos in this series. Each generated report contains a footer that shows who generated the report, the date and time on which the report was generated, and the time zone of the computer from which the report was generated. We've reached the end of this Cold Cloud user-level functions module. Now that you know more about this subject, please feel free to view all other modules addressing Cold Cloud's user-level functions and capabilities. Thank you for your time.